Hey guys, this is Decolation, and today we're going to be working on my 2005 auction Harley. So finally got some parts in for this. I have everything I pretty much need to get this fully functioning and running. Kind of a quick rundown. We're going to be changing the handlebars, the headlight, changing out the lenses on these, and reattaching this back together. We're gonna knock out the tail lights. I have a custom cool tail light for this, so we're gonna do that as well. And the exhaust, and just do some basic things to really get this bike cleaned up, ready for sale. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and we're gonna just start working through and knocking out these issues. Hey guys, now you saw me just finish putting the tail light in. Now we're gonna work on changing out the headlight. So as you can see, there's like water sitting at the bottom of it, and it's overall just nasty and plain. So we're gonna fix this real quick. All right. guys. So now we're finally done working on the bike. As you can see, we got the new headlight installed. There's no water in there anymore. Got the new lens covers for the front one. My new drag style handlebars. I love these. I really don't like ape hangers, so these much nicer. Got my new air filter and the new exhaust. I got this installed last night off camera, but it looks amazing with the new tail light. All this is the stuff you guys saw on time lapse from the last earlier this video. So, but yeah, looks good. Sounds mean with this new exhaust. Let you guys hear it. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, sounds mean. I just rode it around the block a little bit just to make sure it actually rides and doesn't die out on you. But that'll be it for this video. Next video I have coming is I need to start working on a lot of stuff for the kit car that is coming in a couple weeks. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe down below.